One unique project I would want to talk about was, there is this community called Bedia community in
Video.
Madhya Pradesh and
Okay.
some areas around Madhya Pradesh. This
Mm-hmm.
was a project I was working along with CRY. So
Okay.
they were already working on this, and that's when we also stepped in. We said we would want to work in this space. So what the Bedia, it's a tribal community. There are small villages in MP which are only of Bedia community. So
Okay.
what they do is they are into communal prostitution.
Mm-hmm.
So
Oh.
it is not considered to be a bane or looked down upon. The prostitution is not looked
Mm-hmm.
down upon as a, what kind of an evil act is this? Or it's
Mm-hmm.
the women in the families actually are, they go into it. They are put
Oh,
into
okay.
it by the family members themselves. So once the girl attains puberty, her job, she knows that she has to go into this.
Oh, okay.
What the men in the family or the would do is they would be like pimps basically. Society में तो ऐसा ही होता है, but
Okay.
now they know that no,
It
it's
is
not
not good.
right. Our
Mm.
children, so our
We have
job
to
basically
change.
was to mentor these women, talk to these women. The woman is the matriarch, the head of the family. There are no men seen there because you don't
Oh,
know,
okay.
there are just women in the family. Men are just
Mm.
wherever. So used to speak with them. We would tell them, you need to wean your kids, your children away from this job.
Yeah.
This is not an occupation that they should follow. ठीक है, ये होता आ रहा था. We had to be careful of their sensitivities also. If you tell them ये
Exactly.
गलत है, तुम क्या कर रहे थे, they
काफी
would
गलत
not let you
practices थे
enter here.
मैं so at some
वो
point of
कहेंगे ये
time
तो
some
हम, हाँ, आप
communities used to
निकल
do
जाओ
such a
हमारे,
thing, right?
आप यहाँ. So you have to talk to them subtly that
Mm,
enroll
mm,
your child, your girls and boys both. So we
mm,
used to then enroll them into classes.
mm,
फिर उनको vocational program में डालते थे भोपाल
mm,
में and other big towns
mm,
in MP. वहां पे जाके then after the vocational training we as in CRY used to do that. All the job was done by CRY
right.
because they
Okay.
used to run the operations. They would then find jobs for them and get them employed. I remember there were girls who became air hostesses or
Oh,
a
wonderful.
teacher, yeah, from the same community. And then we would use that person who had attained
Yeah.
something. आज वो एक officer बना है कहीं पर,
Uh,
तो उसको हम बुलाते थे and
right.
he would address and tell his story to
Yeah.
rest of the young boys and girls in
Mm,
the village कि देखो
mm,
मैं भी यहीं से निकला था, मैंने यहाँ पे पढ़ाई की इनके साथ. I went to Bhopal, I got undertook vocational training in this particular area, और आज मैं ये job कर रहा हूँ and I'm earning so much and it's a
mm,
respectable kind of a job that I'm
yeah.
doing.
Yes.
So we use these role models to convert and convince people.